Hi, this is Snowdome. Today I'm going to walk you through a new application called TV Time. It is a project I made with Gunit and James. We use Angular Material, and RxJS, and TypeScript to make this. Now let's see how it works. You can put in a character or a word to search, or you can write many words if the TV show's title is long. The more accurate you put in, the more accurate the result will be. The magic thing is that you don't need to press return or enter. It will automatically get data for you. We use Angular reactive form to realize this. Now let's check the responsive site. Yeah, it works. Now let's have a look at the code. Basically, we have two components. One is here, this search component, and one is the display component. The search component is called TV search. It will receive user's input, and for every 1,000 millisecond, it will emit the user's input to the mother component. And the mother component will call the service to do the search and get data back. So the data we get back will be too much for us. So we also created iDataFilter interface to filter out what we don't want, only leave what we want. And that will be mapped to iTV Time. This interface is, in the beginning, we defined what we need. So this is from the customer's point of view, what we need. And this one is from the API's point of view. And we map them together with the service because there is a transform function to link the two together. So data can flow in from one to another. So after we get the right type of data, it will be given back to the mother component, which is the app component. And then the app component will give the data to the TV time component. And we've realized it using the publish subscriber model. Here in this app component HTML, you can see the TV app search, this component. It has an event binding, and once there is an event, it will call the do search function in the app component. And once the app component get data, it will give this data to the property show here. It is a property binding. The show property is defined in the TV time component here. And then the TV time component will display everything in this HTML file. You see here we have binded the text binding here. So I also want to mention some challenges we've met during this process. So first, the API may give us some null data. To prevent errors, we have make data optional here and here, also in here. So the other challenge is that Sometimes a show may have a network name, and sometimes it may have a web channel name. They can have either of this, but not both. So we have, as we only want to show where you can watch the TV, it doesn't matter it's from network or web channel. So we have written this to get whichever available, because the other will be null.